Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and that you are doing well. Today's video, I have an exciting package from Elf Beads. Elf Beads gifted me some beautiful beads to share with all of you and I cannot wait to show you. There's a collection in here that I have been so excited since I've seen pictures and videos of it on Instagram and I absolutely love it. So if you're ready, without further ado, make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea or your choice of beverage and let's get started with today's unboxing. A special thank you to Elf Beads and Beads Candy Shop for gifting me these items to review. I really appreciate it. And also a huge thank you to this community, as I wouldn't have these opportunities without each and every one of you. The first collection that you're seeing here is called the Lemonade Deal Set. And look at all these delicious fruity drink inspired glass beads. They're gorgeous. I love the detail of the sparkle, the little accents, the colors. They're so pretty. If I had to pick a favorite, it would be the yellow because I absolutely love lemons. I love lemonade and I just love how cheerful it is. Each one is really beautiful. The blue is also really lovely too. So here we have our next bag and we have some silver beads in here. We have bluebells, cherry blossom, and constellations. Now the Constellations bead is really special. It's silver, white, gold plated. So it actually has a slightly different tone, like kind of color to it, which you can see. Cherry blossom is absolutely gorgeous and it's going to go with the collection I'm going to share with you in just a minute. Here's a closer look at the Constellations bead. It is so detailed. I love the open work design to it. And I just love the little details. I'm really excited to design with this one in particular. I want to do kind of like a night sky type of theme. I think that'd be beautiful, like a summer night sky or something like that. Now moving along to the collection, I've been very excited to share with all of you guys. Is this magical cherry blossom collection. Like, look at these glass beads. They're beautiful and the colors, like, they're so vibrant and beautiful and they totally make me think of cherry blossom season. And I just love like the matte detail to the glass of these. They're so unique and different. What I also like is that you can kind of see in each one of them, it almost is like that they have two different kind of color tones to them, which I think is just so beautiful. Now moving along, we have another bag and oh my gosh, this is, okay, there's a bead in here and it's a dragon. It's a cherry blossom dragon and I am like so excited to open this. Okay, look how amazing she is. I'm in love. If I had to pick a bead from this entire unboxing that I would say is my favorite, it's her. She's just so beautiful and so unique. And as a lot of you guys know, if you've watched former videos of mine, I love cherry blossom season where I live. There's always these cherry blossoms that come out every year and it's just so magical and beautiful, very romantic, and she just makes me think of that. Now beside her to the left, we have Secret Garden Cherry Blossom World Fractal. It's this dark colored bead with a little bit of a blue stripe. Kind of makes me think of a river going through it, and then you see the beautiful floral details. And to the right of it, we have the Twist Flower World, which is so beautiful. I love the mixtures of pinks, whites, blues, purples. It looks so beautiful and you see that lovely cherry blossom detail. A ton of dimension to this too. You can see through the side, beautiful, like almost like painted like details to it. And here's a look again at the Secret Garden, which is just so cool. So here's a little mini design I came up with to put on a bracelet, but I still think I'm gonna play around with this some more. I have some other ideas, but my little dragon, my cherry blossom dragon, she's definitely gonna be my centerpiece on my first design because I am so obsessed with her. I'm very excited to also wear her for cherry blossom season next spring because she's so cute, but I'm definitely going to be wearing her year round. Anyway though, you guys, that is it for today's video. I'd love to know which beads are your favorite. Please let me know down below. I wish you a wonderful, magical rest of your day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now and take care.